Okay, so I need to show you something that honestly changed the way we work for clients. Because design systems, if you don't know what those are, I'm going to explain it, are one of the most expensive, time-consuming things a business can build. And we just figured out how to generate one in about 40 minutes. True story. So first, what even is a design system? Think of it like a rule book for how your brand looks everywhere. Your exact colors, your fonts and how big they are, how much space goes between things, what your buttons look like, what your cards look like. All of it documented and ready to use so that every single page of your website, every graphic, every deliverable, it all looks like it came from the same place. For a business like Luna Drywall and Paint, one of our clients, that means navy blue and gold, specific shades, specific rules, used consistently everywhere, so their brand feels premium and put together no matter where you see it. Building that by hand used to take us 30 to 40 hours, easily. Now, it takes 40 minutes. And I want to show you exactly how. Here's where it gets really fab. There's a tool called Open Design, and this is important. It is completely free and open source. It's the open source answer to Claude Design, which is Anthropic's paid AI design tool. Open Design does the same thing, runs locally on your computer, works with whatever AI model you already have, and it hit over 40,000 GitHub stars in 2 weeks. 2 weeks. That's how fast the developer world went crazy for this. So here's what we actually do. We open Open Design and we give it a prompt. Something like, build a complete design system for a drywall and paint company. Primary colors are navy blue hex 0F172A and gold hex F59E0B. The brand feels premium, clean, and trustworthy. The target customer is a homeowner in the Low Country. And then, I'm not even joking, it generates the whole thing. It gives us the complete color palette. Primary colors, secondary colors, neutrals, semantic colors for things like success and error states. It gives us the typography system, which fonts, what sizes, what line heights, what weights. It gives us the spacing rules so everything feels consistent. It gives us component styles, what buttons look like, what cards look like, what form fields look like. And then, this is the part that makes designers actually lose their minds. It spits out the Tailwind config file, the actual code, ready to drop into a Next.js project and start building immediately. No manual setup, no back and forth, no, wait, what hex code was that again? Just, here is your complete design system in code, ready to use. That is a mindset shift for how agencies and designers work. Because we went from spending 30 to 40 hours building this stuff by hand to spending 40 minutes prompting it and then refining. The creative work, the strategy, the brand thinking, the decisions about what feels right for the client, that's still ours. The tedious documentation and configuration work, AI handles that now. And the fact that Open Design is free and open source means any business, any designer, any developer can access this. You are not locked into a subscription. You are not burning through a paid plan. You bring your own API key from whatever model you already use, and it works. For our clients, this means faster delivery. For us, it means we can take on more work at a higher level. And for you, whether you're a business owner trying to understand where AI is actually creating value, or a designer wondering what this means for your workflow, this is it. This is the real use case. 40 hours, 40 minutes, same result. Facts. Link to Open Design is in the description. Go check it out. And if you want to see the full build, from prompt to deployed website using this exact design system, that video is coming. Make sure you're subscribed. See you on the next one.